Everyone, welcome to revision for grades 9 to 12. You are given here the GCD of three numbers is 30, and you are told the LCM is 900. Two of the numbers are 60 and 50. So what are the other two possible numbers? Basically, the formula is to obtain the first number, you multiply GCD times LCM divided by the first number. In our case, GCD is 30 and LCM is 900. We are taking 60 to be one of our numbers and to be our first number. So that multiplied by 900, the result is 27,000. When you divide 27,000 by 60, the result is 450. Now, to obtain the other possible number, it is GCD multiplied by LCM divided by the second number. Our GCD is 30 and our LCM is 900 divided by our second number. Our second number which we are given here is 150. So that multiplied by 900 divided by 150. That multiplied by 900 is equal to 27,000. 27,000 divided by 150, the result is 80. So our two possible numbers are 450 and 180. So that is how we obtain the solution for that given simple question. What is important here, it is just to master the formula. Once you master the formula, any number you are given, you can easily obtain your answer in simple step method without any problem. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe so that you don't miss a single video which I upload for us every day. Any area of mathematics that you do want me to tackle, kindly feel free to suggest on the comment below, and I am going to supply you with the skills which are needed, since a learning maths is possible provided you have the right attitude and the right motive, and you do practice step by step every day. You become a master of this important field of life. Bye bye. Remember to subscribe. Remember also to tune on the notification bell so that you don't miss a single video which I upload for us every day. See you in the next presentation.